Hey, what's going on? I'm Stephen Christopher, the founder of WIT Digital, and welcome to today's WIT Wednesday, where we're going to talk a little bit about growth mindset and how it's extremely important for something that you consciously integrate into your business, because it absolutely will help you do amazing things. And it's something that we've done here at WIT really well. So think about this. A lot of people think that the results or the deliverable from a company are the most important thing to get perfect and work on. And then once they have the results or that deliverable dialed in, then selling it is really easy. But what that doesn't take into consideration is the fact that the market is always changing. Think about it just purely from a digital marketing standpoint. Google's always changing. It's coming out with local service ads. It's decreasing the amount of space that they give to pay-per-click. The landscape of organic is changing. Amazon is starting to deliver services. I mean, it's just crazy, right? It's constantly changing. So how do you deal with that as a company? If you just focus on your one deliverable or making your one product or service perfect, then what happens is the market will outgrow you and other companies will outgrow you. So here at WIT, what we realized a long time ago is that we have to be a growth mindset oriented company in order to deliver the absolute best results. And what that means sometimes is that our product and service isn't always our number one focus. Our number one focus is helping our clients grow by being open to what's happening in the market and always keeping a very broad perspective of what's going on. What are the strengths and the opportunities for improvement, and what are the threats that are coming in for both our agency and for our clients. And when you get this right, it makes your company very nimble and very able to deal with these other things that are happening in the industry. And that's actually what makes a really amazing company, is having this growth mindset buried in, what's a better word? I don't know, like just packed in as part of your daily culture. So how have we done that at WIT? We've done it in a couple ways. I mean, one of our core values is be relentless about growth. Another one is create and innovate fearlessly. So we give our team the opportunity to fail. We give them the opportunity to say, hey, I see this thing. I want to try it. Let's see if it works. Okay, hey, it didn't work. Great. That's feedback. That's okay. So we give them the opportunity to fearlessly create and fearlessly innovate so that we can be the absolute best for our clients no matter what happens in the future, because none of us obviously can predict exactly what's going to happen in the future. So we can't prepare our product and service for that today, or we can't build it for today. But since we have this massive growth mindset here, we're able to be nimble and be flexible and be open to being the best no matter what happens in the marketplace. So at WIT, it's really served us well. In the home service industry, we've watched clients that have this growth mindset within their company be able to perform really well and be able to lean into interesting things that are happening. Like I mentioned, the fact that Amazon is coming in and selling services, like Google is giving different ad platforms. Yelp wasn't around 20 years ago. We were all dealing with the phone book. So home service companies that have this growth mindset are able to look at some of these things that a lot of other companies are looking at as a threat, right? A lot of people are talking about how Amazon is a threat. Yelp was a threat, but those things just are what they are. So how can we look at those things and say, hey, what's the opportunity here? How can I be a market leader and take advantage of something that is happening, that's factually out there, and actually use it to grow my business? So I guess what I would really say is just within your company, within your culture, start talking about this growth mindset. Start encouraging your team to read books on it. Start encouraging your team to spend maybe 5 or 10% of their time each week looking at things outside of the normal day-to-day of the business and looking for opportunities, looking for strengths. If you're familiar with a SWOT analysis, that's something that really helps open that perspective quite a bit. But just start encouraging your team to bring you ideas that they think of that may serve the business. And even if those ideas aren't good or they just fail and they flop completely, that's okay. Keep encouraging them to bring those things to you. And eventually what will happen is you will create a culture and you will create a company that has a growth mindset. And if you have a culture and a company with a growth mindset, nothing can stand in the way of your business. Nothing can keep you from growing, because even if your product or service today that you offer is dead in 5 years, we don't know exactly what's going to happen with plumbing and HVAC and all that kind of stuff. Who knows what's going to happen in 20 years and how people are going to be cooling their homes or heating their homes or solar or water power. We just don't know, right? So if you can create a company and a culture that has this growth mindset, you're virtually indestructible forever into the future. So, like I said, it's something that we've really focused on here. We really try to encourage our team to look at all of the opportunities out there, and I would highly, highly encourage you to do exactly the same thing, because when you get this right, you just built an absolutely indestructible company that's a hell of a lot more fun to work at. So, hope that was helpful today. If you have any questions about anything that WIT might be able to do to help you, or just even if you want to talk about this growth mindset and culture and stuff like that, this is one of my favorite topics to talk to other business owners about. So if you're interested in having a conversation about it, just hit me up. Thanks so much. Have a great day.